Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how you can archive a contact in Mailchimp. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just simply click here on Audience and then click here on View Contacts. Now when you're gonna be here, I got like contact here. Like you have two options. You can simply like choose which contacts you actually want to archive. So I will click on this one. I will click here on Action. And I'm going to add this to archive, right? You are about to archive one contact from our custom audience. Okay, confirm. Now, when we have it, where we can actually find the archived contacts, you want to go to Manage Contacts and View Archived Contacts. And voila, here you got it. So yeah, you just click on it and like you can export it or whatever. But this is pretty much it how we do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching and have a great day and goodbye.